Hey guys, just wanted to show you my quick way of doing water changes. I got a submersible bilge pump for a boat at the store for a couple of bucks. I think it was $8. It's just typically these leads go up to either a sensor or a float that when it senses water is in the bilge, or the float goes all the way up to the top and the bilge says it's got water in it, it just kicks on and pumps it out. I just took a piece of tubing, connected it, cut it to length, and then connected it to the one end, bought a garden hose fitting and got a hose clamp and hose clamped it on there. Then I just connect my garden hose, which I picked up at the store for super cheap, cheapest one I had, connect that to it, and then over here I just connect up that end so that way I can turn it on and off when I need to. Then I just put that end in either a sink or the tub, and then I just take my bilge pump and put it in the tanks. Connected up the wiring to just a simple rocker switch. That was about a couple bucks, like $2 or $3. Heat shrinked the wires from the pump to a Dell laptop power supply. This end was bad and frayed, and it had exposed wires, so I just cut it off and then connected it up to the bilge pump. So when I'm ready to do water changes, I just stick that in there, kick the switch on, and then it pumps through and out into the tub. Then when I'm ready to fill back up, I just go and I unscrew this end from here, take this, put it on here, and then screw that end onto the sink. The sink just has a simple converter from a standard house threads to garden hose threads. This is a universal adapter. It's got threads on the outside as well as the inside up here, and those are the threads that I'm using. There's a little neck that comes down that this is screwed onto on the inside, and I just screw my hose onto there, and then when I'm getting ready to fill up the tanks, I just take this simple infrared thermostat, just turn it on, point it at the water to see what the temperature is, and then once I got the right temperature, I just go kick off the switch, or kick off the valve, take the end of the hose over to the first tank, and do the water changes. And I do 4 different tanks currently, 29 220s and a 25 bow front, and then I'll also be doing a 90 here shortly. But yep, simple way of doing water changes. This is only when I need to do just a strict water change and I don't need to vacuum the gravel. So thought you guys might be interested.